Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use Google Calendar, a tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. First, go to calendar.google.com and sign it with your Google account. This is your main dashboard where all your events and reminders are displayed. So now go to the top left side of your screen and you will see a create option. Just drop down the menu and to add a new event click on event. So by here you can give your event a title. For example, I'm giving meeting. Now you can add date and time. Now here you can add the guest name and selecting the location. After done with all this, click on the save button and it will appear on your calendar as you can see here. Now, if you want to change the view, you can switch between day, week. As you can see here on the top right side, you will see this kind of menu and click on the drop down menu and you will see here you can switch it by day, week, month, schedule. Choose what works best for you. Now, if you want to share your calendar, go to the event which you created right now. Just click on this and you will see here an invite via link. Click on this and you will see a link is up here. Now copy the link and you are able to share this link with your calendar with others to make it public. Google Calendars help to stay organized, schedule meetings, and never miss a deadline. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.